Good morning. Well, there are clouds on the horizon this morning. Always makes sunrise a little more interesting. Waiting for the sun to come up. Moving a little bit further south. And coming up a little bit later each day. Let's go breathe together. Start with your posture and lying down in your bed or on the sofa or even on the floor, or maybe you're in your recliner, on your back, your feet, your legs uncrossed, and your hands by your side, creating that gentlest curved straight spine. Or if you're sitting in a chair, rock side to side on your sit bones, and then plant them both firmly and evenly, and plant your feet firmly. Then lift your chest and tuck your chin back and make space for the air to come in. Now check your belly, because after all this, your belly's not soft anymore. So let your belly go soft and then draw the air in and pull it all the way down and breathe with your whole body. And as the breath comes in, the body rounds up like a barrel. Bring it all the way to the very top. And then at the top, you spill it out. And your body seems longer and flatter at the end. If you need to, puff out the last bit of air to get rid of it all, creating that balance between the inhale and the exhale. Now keep breathing long and deep, whole body rounding up like a barrel and flattening out at the end, while you bring your attention to the top of your head and begin your relaxation sequence. If you do this every day, your head is already tingling in anticipation. Release your scalp. Feel it soft, separate from that bony skull. And let the softness flow down the sides to your ears, inside and out, across your forehead, and release the wrinkles and the furrow in your brow. And now your eyelids, soft and relaxed with the eyeballs floating, nothing to see or focus on. And now across your face, releasing the skin on your nose and your cheeks, your lips and your chin. And your jaw goes slack, and your tongue is heavy and warm, soft, floating in the bottom of your mouth. And now let it follow the path of gravity and flow throughout your body, touching every cell as it winds down, all the way down to your legs, where it divides and flows down and out your feet and your toes. And continue breathing, rounding up like a barrel, releasing and letting go, all the way to the bottom, maybe a puff at the bottom. Keep breathing. There's a long nerve called the vagus nerve. It travels from your brain all the way down to your colon. It's shaggy and branches out and actually touches most of the organs between the brain and the colon. And it's your on-off button for the stress response. It's your calm down button. And by breathing with your whole body like a barrel, you stimulate this nerve, like pressing the button, the calm down button. One writer referred to it as when people say trust your gut, they really mean trust your vagus nerve. When you're calm and cool and clear, that's when you do your best work. So breathe in long and deep, using your whole body so you're touching that vagal nerve as you come down and fill all the way up. and push the button on your stress response. Do you ever wake up in the middle of the night and for reasons you don't even know, things are too active and anxious? Well, try using your breathing techniques. Some people even turn on the video that we make each morning and listen to it. See if using the breath can help you push your stress response button and go back to sleep. Keep breathing. And may the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Tuck that green tree outside into your heart and let all the birds out there singing come join you and spend the day with you. Have a really great one.